Good afternoon, this is Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. So, I built this porch on the side of the house. I've done this over the last couple of months. We built an addition, and the main house has a 14 by 20 deck, and then off the addition here, I built another deck, and this one I decided to close it in. So let's just take a look what's going on here. So there it is, without my face in it. There's our addition. There's the original house. There's our front porch. It's actually 14 by 20, and this is our additional porch, which is an inside porch. Well, it's not. It's a screened-in porch. So here's what I've done. I screened it all in the fall, and makes it so we can actually go out there and spend time out there without the black flies bothering us. But we had a heavy wind and some snow last week come across here, and we had all this real fine snow inside. And so I figured I would just cover it with plastic. So what I've got here is this is all screened in, and I've put wood on here to hold the screening, and then I put plastic over top of it all. Now what I think I'm going to do is, this is 1.5 inches wide. I'm going to put some 3/4 inch plastic or 3/4 inch wood right on top of this. Then I'll cut all this loose stuff off, and then the spring. That's going to stop this plastic from getting ripped from the weather. And then in the spring, I will take this piece of trim off that's over top of this 3/4 inch piece, and rip all this plastic off. And then we'll have our screen back again. So what the plan is, let's take a look inside. What the plan is to be able to sit out here. It's going to make our winter a little bit better. It's going to make our spring a little bit better, and we can just sit and enjoy the heat. Now I won't be sitting out here right now because it's, I don't know, it's -15, but it's going to really make it nice for sitting out here playing games, my wife and I. Now, of course, I'm not going to have that much flame going because I don't want to burn the place down. But we got a really good deal on this this fire table, and so that's what the plan is. And of course, my friends are all welcome. So yeah, this is what I've been working on. I got some drywalling to do inside, and that pocket door there I have to still install. But for now, just chilling in here and just enjoying my new porch. As you can see, it's all pressure treated except for that board there and that 2x4 there, because they're going to come off in the spring, so we have more view still. But yeah, it's gonna be nice. We've now managed to get away from the black flies, and we're gonna manage to get away from the wind and the cold in that late fall where you kind of want to go outside, but you're just not sure that it's gonna be too windy or not. So this is gonna be nice for us. Well, it's now evening, and I'm out on the deck. And basically, this is what we're going to have in the summer, in the evening. We're going to sit out here, and well, my wife and I will play some card games. And we'll sit out here by the fire, especially on those evenings where it's a little bit chilly. And we'll just sit out here and we'll just enjoy our evenings. And even through the day, I suppose, when it's a little bit cool outside and this plastic is off, we'll be able to look outside and watch nature and keep nice and toasty warm. Anyways, thanks for visiting my channel, and have a great evening, and we'll talk to you in the next video.